Hello everyone, this is Suraj, and in this video I will be doing an unboxing and review of TWS by Anker R100. This is the box of R100. On the box it says the price as 4,999 and this is a white color unit. On the back it says 6.5 hours of playtime, BASF technology, clear calls with 2 mics, and it comes with IPX5 water resistant. I bought this product at 1,800 rupees from Flipkart, and let us unbox this product. Here is a user manual from Anker. This is the Earpods itself. This is the extra pair of ear tips. And last but not the least, here is a charging cable with a Type-C connector. The plastic quality is too good. It feels very premium to hold. It's a Type-C charging port, a reset button, very stylish design, a Anker logo engraved at the top of a lid. It's very glossy, comes with a sturdy lid. These earpods are very premium to hold. You can see the buttons for basic controls. At the bottom, placement of mic. It is very well designed at this price range. Soundcore R100 comes with a 10mm graphene driver. It sounds very rich. It has got 2 modes, normal mode and bass up mode. Bass is very impressive. Instrument separation is surprisingly very good in this price range. Mid-tones and vocals are extremely good. I would rate about the sound quality as 9 out of 10. I used this product for a week and I did not notice any serious cons in it. Coming to the calling function, quality of the microphone is extremely good. It comes with environmental noise cancellation, which seriously works very well, though active noise cancellation is not there in it. I would not suggest this earpod for high-end gamers, as there is some latency, so we feel small lag while playing high-end games, but no worries for music lovers and for watching YouTube or watching movies. Let me just show how fast it pairs with my phone. You can see it's not paired yet. As soon as I open the lid, it instantly pairs. It hardly takes 5 seconds to pair. Yes, now it's paired. Let us see the basic controls of R100. You can see the song is in pause, and if I want to play the song, I double click on the right side button of TWS and it starts to play. And if I want to move to next song, I single click and hold for 2 seconds and it goes to next song. And if I want to increase the volume, I single click on the right side button once and it increases. And the same, if I want to decrease the volume, I single click on the left side button of the TWS and it decreases. Anker R100 comes in 2 colors, white and black. Since it is very glossy and it is prone for scratches, I would recommend to go with white color, as in black, scratches appeal very quickly. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel.